This video is for educational and informational purposes only. The tools and topics shown are meant to raise awareness, not encourage misuse.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the time you are watching my video right now. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to remove any unwanted object from your picture. Let's say you snap a picture and there's something behind you that you don't want it to show up in the picture, or you want to edit the picture and you think this can't go well if this is in my picture. So what you have to do to remove the object, this is what you have to do. First thing to do is click the link on my description below to join my Telegram group. My WhatsApp is just for chatting and question and for fun. My Telegram group and my Telegram channel is different from group. You can join the two if you like, but the channel and the group is for me to share the tools you needed. So any tools or anything you can find in my YouTube channel and my Telegram group, don't come to my DM to ask for it for free. You need to pay for the service. That's the meaning. If it's free, I will surely drop it to the group or to the Telegram channel or to my YouTube channel. Once you don't see it in that three places, come to my DM with your money. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So what you have to do right here is go to your Pics. I've already imported the thing because I don't want to show my gallery to anyone. So this is what you have to do. This is what you get when you open your Pics. When you open your Pics and import your image. Okay, this Pics I'm using is free to use. You understand? It's free to use. So if you want it as well, just join my Telegram group. You see it there. I've already uploaded times that number. I've uploaded it and I pin it. Just keep checking the pin chart. You will see it there. Okay, you will see it there. So just go side here and click on remove. Don't think it's just normal remove. As you can see, this is it. Let me show you. Okay. You can erase it. Let's say you mistakenly clean something, you can erase it. So brush, you zoom into area and you paint out the parts. You paint out the part you want to remove. Do you get that? You paint out the part you want to remove. You paint out the part you want to remove. Okay, you can paint this. You can paint that place as well so that it will look perfect. So once you're done with that, you clean in every other place you want it to be out of the picture. You get? Then you click on this AI remove. Okay, then you remove. If you don't click on the AI remove, it will be somehow blur. But because you click on the AI remove, it will make it clone. It will be automatically the remove will automatically know that this place should not be blurred. It should be the color of the clothes. Can you see? It's because of the AI remove. If I use normal remove, it will be so much blur, and this place right here won't be sharp like this. It will be blur. You understand? So if you don't zoom it well, you can't know anything happened to this picture before. Do you get that? So you can remove anything like this chain that is what. You understand? You can just clean it and remove it. You get that? Remove. It will be out of the picture. Anything you want to remove, just shade it. And AI remove, then remove it. No, what the heck? It's already gone. Can you see? The chain is out. The chain is out. So that's it. It's very, very simple as that. That's all we have to learn today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Meet next tutorial again with another hot cake. Bye.